Here. This is our first update on major hurricane Milton, currently with winds of 150 miles per hour. Did the fastest rapid intensification cycle I've ever seen, and still dropping in pressure, currently with a pressure of 940 millibars. I think it is expected to become a Cat 5 at the 10 a.m. advisory. And here from the satellite, you can see that it's gotten way more defined since our last update. And I'm not even surprised if Milton gets up to like 190 if it continues this rapid intensification cycle today. Here's an HC cone. This is wrong. It did get upgraded to 150 like 20 minutes ago. As you can see, there is hurricane warnings in place for the coast of the Yucatan and hurricane watches from like the southern Yucatan kind of. And we think it's expected to become a 5 today. Well, we will make another update. It's expected to make landfall around 5 p.m. Wednesday and move into Florida and become post-tropical on Friday. Here's the key messages. Dangerous hurricane force winds are expected across portions of the northern coast and the Yucatan. There's increasing risk of life-threatening surge across the Florida Peninsula, and storm surge and hurricane watches are now in effect. Heavy rainfall will impact portions of Florida today, ahead of Milton with heavy rainfall. Here's the peak surge, 8 to 12 feet in Tampa Bay. That is very concerning. 5 to 10 feet in Charlotte Harbor. 4 to 7 from Bonita Beach to Chokolski. 2 to 4 feet to Chokolski to Flamingo. 1 to 3 feet in the Florida Keys. And this storm is expected to hit Florida. Here's the tropical storm force wind probabilities. You can see most of Florida is in that because the system is expected to widen out before landfall. So that's why we'll weaken a tiny bit. Here's the rainfall forecast, 8 feet north of Melbourne still. 6 inches some parts of Tampa, but 4 to 2 inches expected across most of the state. Here's the excessive rainfall outlook, a moderate risk for Orlando, Jacksonville, and Tampa, and Miami, and a slight risk for most of the state and parts of Georgia. Here's the model forecast. Here's the GFS. Getting very close to the Yucatan. Like, it could even make landfall if it moves south enough. Starts moving northeast towards Florida. You can see getting very close. This is around 7 p.m. makes landfall and goes across Florida. This was the Euro model. Now here's the GFS. We can skip most of this, so 7 p.m., 10, around 3 a.m. makes landfall, weakens across the state, becomes post-tropical. That is all we have for today. Make sure to like and subscribe. Tropical weather forecasted out.